How to buy Robux with Microsoft gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Robux using a Microsoft gift card. It's super simple, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Microsoft Store and simply click on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account. And now here from the pop-up menu, just click on redeem code or gift cards. And after that, simply enter the code from your Microsoft gift card. And once the code is accepted, the balance will be added to your account. Now next, if you don't already have Roblox installed, just go ahead and download it from the Microsoft Store. And this part is really important. And here, once you have installed the Roblox, just open it. And here, once you are inside the Roblox, just click on the Roblox icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can simply choose how much Roblox you want to buy. And here, if you're not already logged in your Roblox account, it might ask you to sign in at this point. And now here, after you click on that option, you'll see the option to pay using the Microsoft Store balance, which includes the gift card you redeemed earlier. So here, just confirm the purchase and you are good to go. And you have successfully used the Microsoft gift card to buy Roblox. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.